Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need an up-to-date iPhone and accessibility access enabled. Once ready, open Settings and go to Accessibility to begin. Don't linger on wallpaper tricks, they won't change control center hues reliably. Instead, head straight to Display and Text Size, then Color Filters. You'll create a custom filter that shifts system colors, which alters control center appearance. Make sure to enable the accessibility shortcut now so you can toggle it quickly while testing colors on the control center overlay. Once inside color filters, turn them on and choose color tint or a specific filter mode. Pick the mode that best shifts the hues you want. Color tint gives precise hue and intensity sliders. Adjust hue and intensity while pulling down control center so you can see the change live. Because this modifies the whole screen, you'll judge its effect directly. When satisfied, save the custom settings. Then assign the filter to the accessibility shortcut, so it's one triple click away for testing and quick swaps. To finish, add your chosen color filter to the accessibility shortcut in settings so you can enable it quickly with a triple click. Once enabled, pull down control center and toggle the filter on and off to confirm the color change. If colors appear washed, check for night shift, true tone, or display zoom, disable them temporarily. If the control center still seems unaffected, revisit the hue and intensity sliders and make incremental adjustments. Small changes produce more natural results than extreme shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.